Oh, hey. Yo, what's good, you guys? Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Is that how the song goes? So on today's video, it's a shopping haul. I was gonna take you guys shopping with me, but it was raining. I was running late. Like, it was just kind of a mess. I'm sorry, guys. I will bring you guys along next time, but at least I'm gonna show you guys everything that I bought. I'm having Friendsgiving here, and it's actually my first party I host here at my place, so I am excited. It's this Saturday coming up, and I'm like, I need to hurry because I'm the type to always do things last minute, but it's only Tuesday today, and I did go grocery shopping on Sunday, so I have that covered. I'm gonna be doing a ham and some stuffed mushrooms, and then everyone else is bringing a tray, so I'm just so excited. So obviously I want to make my place look nice. I'm gonna have to like move my furniture around, and I had to borrow 2 tables to fit everyone because it's gonna be like almost 15 of us. So I went to the dollar store to get some things because, you know, your girl is not trying to go to no Home Goods or no Hobby Lobby for things that I'm only going to use one time. You know what I mean? But I had to take advantage, and I went to the thrift store also. My mom came along with me, and she loves going to the thrift store. I love going to a thrift store, so I was like, let's go. And if you guys are new here, hi, my name is Drea Rose. Join the Not So Smooth Ride and subscribe. Okay, so first I'm going to show you guys what I bought at the thrift store. And let me tell you guys, I got that senior discount since my mama came with me. So first off, I got this nice ass little pillow. It pretty much matches my couches and the furniture I have going on. And this was $3 plus the discount. So next item I picked up is the sweatpants from Champion. They don't have like that super soft material. It's almost like jeans. Like, you know what? Like jeggings actually. You know that, like almost like jeans but not really. Yeah, that's what it feels like. But yeah, they're like basically like some sweatpants, or maybe you can even call these cargo pants. I'm not sure. And these were $4. Next thing I got is another pair of sweatpants. And I thought these were so cute. They remind me of like bubblegum. They're tie-dye. And they honestly look brand new because even the inside, like, you don't see the little like balls on there. You know, when you use them and you wash them and then you get some balls. You know what I'm talking about? But really, really cute with the white string in the front. Very heavenly. And I got these for $5.98. But like I said, I got these items with that senior discount, so shout out to my mama. Alright, moving along with Dollar Tree things. And let's just go ahead and start with the makeup stuff, because I did find some makeup items that I was like, yes please. So first off, I got this Wet n Wild glitter eyeliner. It is silver glittery liner. Can y'all see it? It's very like metallic-y, and I've actually never used one of these. I actually had one years ago, but I never used it, and now it's like dried out, so I'm very excited to try this. Next, I found this LA Color Glossy Finish Moisturizing Lip Gloss. And I thought it was so cute. It says it has vitamin E. Yeah, and it's really cute. It's like a little pinky shade. Y'all can never have enough lip glosses, so. Next, I got this LA Color Nail Art. Those thin little brushes. I got it in black. I already had this one, but mine dried out already because I've used it so much. And then I also picked up a gold one. I never see this color there, so I was like, yes, let me get it. Alright, in the next bag, I have this bow that I'm gonna hang outside in the door. It's cute, it's cute, it's cute, or whatever. And then I got that heavy duty aluminum foil. I got the extra long one because I got the short one, and then sometimes you have to like keep using more product because it's not long enough or whatever. So, and we're gonna need this for Thanksgiving. I don't know if I mentioned I borrowed 2 long tables for Friendsgiving and Thanksgiving. This is really what I was looking for, some white table covers. They had all these other colors, but I'm like, no, I want white. So I got 2 of these. And then I didn't even know they sold these there, but I got a table runner. So it's just this long piece of linen that goes across the table, and I thought it was really cute, huh? I mean, I wish there was like an orange one, but this is cute. It will do. And then I just got some Scotch tape. We are approaching that tape season, so. And I also got this for the table. I'm gonna tie like the ends of the tablecloth with this, and hopefully I can do like a cute little bow in every corner. I mean, I don't know how to do bows personally, but I'm gonna try. And it's pretty cute. The print is really nice. It's giving Thanksgiving vibes. Next, I got mostly like kitchen things. And I got some of these spoons, these clear spoons. It was 2 for $1.25. So I just picked these up. These are disposable. And like I said, everyone's bringing a dish, but no one brings their own spoon. So, and I got 2 packs of those. And for dessert, we might need a cake cutter and a spatula. So I'm also doing stuffed mushrooms. So I thought these were perfect for that, so y'all can grab them. And then I bought these bowls. I got 3 of them. For the bread, I'm gonna buy like some French bread and then just, you know, slice it up. Since we're not eating with tortilla, we gonna eat with some bread. Then I just bought this flexible cutting mat. Oh, it's 2 of them. I thought it was only 1. Wow, they're super thin. But I didn't want to mix my cutting boards with the raw chicken, so I just decided to buy this one for the chicken, the pollo. Then I also got these flat like baking sheets. I'm gonna be doing the stuffed mushrooms on here. And then since I'm doing a ham, I'm gonna need one of these big bad boys. I was gonna use a pan that I have, but I don't think it's big enough because the freaking ham is huge. So this one will do. So guys, that is all for today's haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I do post Tuesdays and Thursdays. Give your girl a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.